my god! Guys, get out! Because someone's gonna get hurt! Look out, it's taking that one! Yeah. There's another one!
It's all the way at you!
That was awesome!
Move, Daniel, move, Daniel.
Best thing ever!
Look at, there's another one!
What?
Ow!
Matthew!
It's a hey-nado!
Oh, that's so cool! I got it in my eye.
Matthew!
Wait, guys, it's gonna come over to the house then while we're playing.
Awesome!
Awesome! Liam, you just spit in my video.
Yeah, I got it in my throat.
Here's another one. It just keeps moving.
It doesn't. It looks like it's about to die off, but then it just gets stronger.
How does this happen?
Science.
It's wind going around in a circle.
It's exactly how a tornado happens.
How do the
Oh,
tornado
is it done?
going over to that house?
Look at it. It's so awesome.
Is it done?
No, it's picking up speed. It's going over there, and then it's gonna pick up a bunch.
Come on. You can go in now. It's not as bad.
Let's get it!
When I was in there, it felt like pelicans to go through.
Yeah, it's so strong.
Oh, there's another one.
So strong.
It's gonna start getting that row now. Oh god, they're so dumb. Throw it up! Look at Look at that one actually kind of worked. That one worked.
Oh my god.
Holy moly. I'm getting video of this whole thing.
We could send this to the news people. Is there good? Is it adjusted?
Yeah, you can see it. Oh, it's gone now.